Most of the school assessments and examinations require students to mention their answers in the most simplified manner. Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn how to simplify a ratio. I have taken 3 examples here: 12 to 18, 25 to 35, 14 to 21. Whenever we have to simplify a fraction or a ratio, we always look for the common factors, or we also can look for the HCF or the GCF, which is the greatest common factor between the two numbers. Or we can also look for common factors. If you're not able to find the HCF, you can look for the common factors. Now between 12 and 18, the HCF here is 6. So I will divide 12 by 6. 12 divided by 6, and I will divide 18 by 6. When I divide 12 by 6, my answer will be 2 is to 18 divided by 6 will be 3. In case you don't know how to find a GCF, you can also figure out the common factors by knowing the divisibility rules. As I can look, 12 and 18 both are divisible by 2, as both are even numbers. So I can divide 12 by 2. When I divide 12 by 2, I'll get a 6. 2, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now if you know the divisibility rules, or if you know the table of 3, 6 and 9 both are multiples of 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Hence the simplified answer or simplified ratio is 2 to 3. Next example, 25 to 35. I can see that both are a multiple of 5. So I will divide 25 by 5 and 35 by 5. Now 25, where does 25 come in 5 times table? 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 divided by 5 gives me a 5 is to 35 divided by 5 will be 7. Hence the simplified answer, the simplified ratio here is 5 is to 7. 14 is to 21. Now if you know the 7 times table, then 14 and 21 are multiples of 7. And 14 divided by 7, I get a 2. 21 divided by 7, I get a 3. Hence the simplified ratio of 14 is to 21 is 2 is to 3. Hence, to simplify any ratio, you need to find out the common factors between both the quantities or both the numbers. Even better if you can find the HCF. If you can find the HCF, then you can directly divide both the quantities by the HCF and find your answer. I hope this video on simplifying ratios made your understanding about simplifying ratios a bit more clearer. Happy learning. Wish you the best.